Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the first and second derivative of this function, that is the cube root of x minus the square root of x. Before doing that, let's rewrite this as x to the 1/3 power minus x to the 1/2 power. And now let's find the first derivative. So y prime is going to equal, now applying the power rule, we need to bring this power of 1/3 to the front, so that's 1/3 x. And our new exponent is the current exponent minus 1. And we can do the same thing to x to the 1/2 power. That means y prime is equal to 1/3 x to the negative 2/3 power minus 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. This cleans up to 1/3 times the cube root of x squared minus 1/2 times the square root of x squared. Now let's find the second derivative. And while finding the second derivative, I'm not going to start here with my final answer for the first derivative. I'm actually going to start here since this is already rewritten using fractional exponents rather than radicals. So y prime prime is going to equal the derivative of 1/3 x to the negative 2/3 power plus the derivative of negative 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. So of course we begin by applying the power rule, that is this exponent gets multiplied out to the front. And then in our exponent we subtract 1. And let's do the same to this negative 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2 power. Okay, we can rewrite this as negative 2/9 times x to the negative 5/3 power plus 1/4 x to the negative 3/2 power. Cleaning this up yields negative 2/9 times the cube root of x to the 5th plus 1/4 times the square root of x cubed. We can rewrite this further still as y double prime is equal to negative 2/9 x cube root of x squared plus 1/4 times x and the square root of x. Now if you're wondering what happened from this step to this step, notice that the cube root of x to the 5th is equal to the cube root of x cubed times x squared. Seeing as we have an x cubed inside of a cube root, I can write this as x times the cube root of x squared. Similarly, the square root of x cubed is the same thing as the square root of x squared times x, which is just x root x, since I have this x squared that can be moved out to the front. I hope the content of this video was helpful.